Okay, so this is Harrah's in Las Vegas, Harrah's, Las Vegas, and we're in 23001. It's a pretty spacious room, I think. Here's the lovely bathroom. It's very clean. And I like that they have the shampoo and conditioner. I don't particularly care for the shower with no door on it because I always end up having a flood in the room. Here's the little foyer. And then I have a king size room with a strip view, supposedly. Again, it's pretty spacious. Every time I check into a room with these newfangled TVs, they never work, so I'm waiting for engineering to come. This is my view. I asked for a strip view, and I suppose over there is the strip. The sunset right over there. When I came in, it was blinding me, so that was nice. Nice sunset. So this is it. Room 23001. So we're pretty high up.